Yo, what's up, brother? Yep, it will be there. The app wasn't ready, so now it should be there, right? Lovely. Just give me a second. I'll be back. Just give me 2 seconds. Okay, back. So what's going on here? The Mr. Nibu. Hmm. So it says finally someone who doesn't cheese or fake their OSCP. There's so many people who don't put in the time. In my interview, I pick them out within second. So it's good to see someone actually doing it live. Actually, my skill set is like pretty weird type of skill set that I hold. Although it is like effective what I do, but right now, like the main motive behind these lives are like, first I need my own database where I can just go and click the stuff around and understand what I have learned so far. So on first I'm working on that, as you can see the notes I am making. And the second thing is I need some place where from where I can just quickly access the information. Did you find the link of books? Yeah, actually I was checking on that, but I wasn't able to find the specific link for the books. Give me a sec, I think it should be here. Let me check over here. It was a pretty damn good collection of books. What was the name? Uh, the Yep, I think this is the one. If I'll go here. Oh, where the hell is my cursor? Yeah, I think this was the one that I was looking that day. Over here you will see that there are variety of books. There is like PowerShell cheat sheet here. There is a hardening window 10 code of conduct. That's not what we are looking for. And all these books are like 6-7 year olds. And the best is to, if you are looking for information, go for the previous books. They hold like a bit niche in their content. For example, window bat, I don't know what this is for, maybe download or something. There's a bash cheat sheet. There is RTFM, red team field manual, and other stuff. Humble bundle has good books. Okay, let's check that. Actually, I don't want to overwhelm someone with the information. Uh, what my main motive is to like given information is what you are getting should be understandable, not like you're just reading out this stuff and you're not able to understand a single thing out of it. Doesn't matter if you're creating something out of those books, if you're like giving it to AI, if you're giving it to like your friend, if you're giving it to yourself, like in any manner, as long as if you're able to understand one line from the book, that book has like fulfilled its purpose. So okay, there we have the depend about is a contributor here, so there's some dependency checking going on. Okay, so it is like a pretty decent repo that I found pretty recently. Yeah, so I think this is perfect for you, OSCP repo master. There are like variety of books you can see over here. OSCP prep over here. There you will find the cheat sheet over here, that like docs, OWASP, etc. This has like, it is not that organized, but it is somewhat okayish. There was another one, I'm not able to remember the name. Let me drop it in the chat. No, even if you're working on the project, you must be serving it for something, right? Let me check over here. Help. Payload of whole thing. I don't think it was that one. It's not in here. This one must be a tool collection. This one don't serve any purpose. Let me check. Yeah, it's just, I think, collection of tools that one can use for the penetration test or the security assessment. It is that collection. And this one is for the OSCP roadmap, etc. So this doesn't put much. Yeah, that's also a pretty good book. So like I said, as long as it's old and it contain what the niche actually holds, so any old book is worth giving a shot. But a book should be based on like material, like what is TCP. If you're working over the network, it should hold the basics of the network, and over there it should explain what those basics are doing and make progress on those things. Rather you are just searching what like what is this terminal, what is this like explorer. So this doesn't put any worth in there. What is debugging, how we perform the debug, what is registers, how we work around the registers in the Windows. There, if you're looking for the Linux, how the terminal commands work, what is routing tables, and like etc. So like again, same thing, it should hold the basics and it should clear the basics that you're trying to read. Instead, what you're just checking over and here and there. Just give me okay, so today goal is let's see where we are sitting right now. We are okay. If you want to learn about register and assembly language, then consider the SLAE course. It's free and it's one of the best courses I have done. Security Tube Linux Assembly Expert. It helps a lot with the buffer overflow too. Okay, I'll keep that in note. Because for the buffer overflow, I'm trying to clear the concepts. There isn't anything about if it's a par with something or not. It is more of like, all that's just a person doing it from their living room. Get don't get discouraged. It's very good. No, 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 no. Like there isn't any discouragement, but like par with this doesn't make any sense to me. For example, it is like you're just comparing something that is there, doesn't make something that is either too good or like less good. Like everything holds its their own place. For example, if I'll go with the like same thing I said few days back, where like HR's the teacher is recording from their living room. It doesn't look professional as the video, but I can. Okay, got it, understood. But still, the same thing. Give me a sec over here. I think yeah. What I was complaining back in few back streams that people are pursuing the like certification without knowing what, when, and where will that certification will take them. So over here you will see that this is the list of the certifications that are like for the security field. Here you can see security roadmap, certification roadmap. So here's the beginner one, and if you'll see over here, offensive security, where is it? Yeah, this one is for operations. I think it was here somewhere. Or we are talking about this one. Security architect. Where? Oh, it's should be here. Yep, over here. CEH, you see over here, certified ethical hacking course, and after that it's goes like over and over, like over the top. So doesn't matter if it's a certification, if it's a course, as long as it's you able to understand what the concept is, everything is good. Let me check something. I'm not able to see OSCP. So as per this map, the OSCP is like above intermediate and between the expert level of certification. These are the beginner level certification, and people are like directly going for these OSCP on the very first day, and that doesn't cut out with the people on the same page. And I've seen some people, those who are doing the CISSP, if you'll see, it is expert and just a little down, but you can see CISSP is pretty darn big certification. I recently saw someone over the LinkedIn who recently done it, and I asked them the question like, what's the like purpose of this certification? He's like, I asked him, are you going to compete for the CISO now? So he said like, no, 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 no. Like what? Those certification even doesn't make any sense if you are not trying to qualify for the certain like position. I have CISSP, OSCP, OSCE, and about 30 others. Cool. I think OSCP is much more expert than CSP. CSP is entry level. It is not an entry level. It just depend on field by field. Even like within the security, you have like variety of fields over here. So when we are talking about a certain certifications, the CISSP is more of a CISO level certification, where you are like working with a GRC. You're trying to like work around with the business to how their audits are going, how the security team is working. So it is like just a niche that they're trying to clear there. It contains the content related to the like compliances based on CI, like there is ISO 27001. I think there's 27002 also, and PCI DSS, and like variety of stuff. but I consider it's not a CISO level, but it is like GRC level certification if it's not a CISO level. But yeah, even if you're like GRC or CISO, you if you have that certification, you're like giving your worth there. If you have the OSCP, I don't think it's that worth. Yeah, right. Correct. It does talk, but at the end, it is like I am also ISO 27001 certified. Bro, are you running some sort of company here? Like you have 30 certs and then bro, you're some sort of OG here. What's your like package? Now that's what I'm more interested in because I don't have any sort of certification and I'm earning decent. Bro, you're talking ancient. Yo, what's up, Ashutosh brother? How are you doing? In 2015. OSCP is a great choice. Yeah, I think it is better. At least it will like make your concept clear for the basic stuff. We are just having a debate over the certifications that are like for the higher levels where beginner, intermediate, and expert level stuff go on. But people like over the beginner level are trying to look for the expert level certs when they are like going to work for the package of like entry level stuff. So those certificates are not going to put any worth in their career. And if you have the CSSP kind of cert, either you need to post the blogs, you need to attend the conferences and etc. stuff to keep the points there. Else you have to give the exam again if I'm not wrong here. Yeah, that's why OSCP is a like great choice for people. At least it will clear concepts with the basic stuff, where how you gonna like run the tools, how you gonna like use the lower stuff for the shit. I'm forgetting the thing. How to work around with the regex, how to what is a different type of vulnerability which are like over the lower ground. Hey Yaren, how are you doing? For all cert, it's not just IC2 that need the CPE. Well, I also trying to get internship, but certificate they ask for beginners. Yeah, they are just dead brainers. I don't know how they are like looking for it. I'm doing fine, Alex. What about you, brother? How are you doing? So try to get the skill set and try to look for a company that who which is not looking for someone who is like is a certified or something. Try to look for a company that is actually looking for a person who can put. Can you share that note after the stream? Oh, sorry, brother. I actually forgot. Give me a sec. People are throwing codes in the Discord. Give me a sec. Who is it? Someone from the Hack the Box. Hey, define function n where n is anything can be, and return abs n minus 50. Now you have given a list, and it is going to look for the key where it is trying to sort that out. Print this list. Can you explain this? What does it mean? Can you explain this? Damn it, where is my cursor? I don't know, for some reason the cursor don't work good here. Give me a sec, guys. I'm looking for something and I actually wanted to start the box already, but give me a sec. Ouch. Do you play games? Yeah, I do play games. It's not like I'm like allergic to games. I do play games. It's just that my system is not that good to play the games, but yeah, I can play the indie game. Give me a sec. I'll show you my collection. But the thing is, I can't play the like many of them. I can just play few of them if I like to. Yeah. Let me show you. Steam over here. Library. I'm not sure if you can see this. Over here. So these are the list of games. I have Buckshot, which is installed. There's Brawl. It is, I don't know when I put this game in here. Oh, it's last I played was 2020. After that, there's Apex Legend that is sitting here. There's a Conflict Desert Storm, which is pretty old game. I think it's from 2000. If you're doing OSCP, you don't have time for anything else. Correct. That's why I don't play games anymore. It's been quite long since I have played the game properly. And there is Forza 4, which I recently bought, but I cannot play. By the way, this is a tip. Don't spend too much time on Hack the Box. It's easy to get lost in preparation. Do prepare like you know how to make notes. Know the fundamentals, but don't over prepare. Yeah, that's the idea that I have. Over here in the OSCP prep, I'm just going to solve a few of these boxes. After that doctor, I'm going to solve last till here for the Linux. Then I'll start few for the like medium of till half of it, and few of the hard. And first two which I'm going to work, and last I'm going to try my best to not to use any sort of like write up or something. to finish this, and same goes for the Windows and uh, Windows stuff. After that, the Active Directory in the same manner. Then try hack me, which I have already solved many of it, but never had the notes. The main issue is the OSCP is a major mental investment. It's exhausting. In total, you'll 600 hours on it. If you do it properly, you'll need a holiday afterwards. It's easy to burn out during OSCP or OSCE. Yeah, that's the plan actually I have. After giving the exam, I'm going over the vacations, at least for the week. I'm not going to do anything else. So that's why I'm doing the lives, even if I'm able to put like 2 or 3 hours in it. I'm satisfied with that. I know what I have learned so far. I know what I have noted so far. So if there is something that I'm missing, I can just directly search for that. Okay, so back to the place. Doctor, I think monitor 3 has been finished. If you haven't checked the monitor 3, it took like 6-hour stream to finish this box. In the end, I took some like write-up help because it was, I don't know how it went a bit complicated over there, but yeah, I took some write-up help and that's how I finished this box. It was a pretty fun, but last part I didn't like much. You just need to understand how the functionality is working for some application when you're working on it. So the first lesson is always the last kick you get. The first lesson in whichever security field you are is try to use application to its best so you can understand like how something is working, and that's how you will be able to understand if you will be able to work around it with it or not. Any tip for beginner, like I am currently learning things from Try Hack Me and other blue team labs, but any other thing I need to be focused on? You don't have to look around much, just try to understand what you're trying to learn so far. So one more tip, automating everything. Wait, I'm not able to read it here properly. Automating everything, use PowerShell or Python or Go, Rust, whatever works for you, but automate it. The two reasons for this: one is your script become your documentation, and two is that you'll learn a programming language, scripting language. PowerShell is used a lot in a blue team, so if you can learn it while doing OSCP, it will help you greatly. Okay, so the programming stuff I rely on, like instead of PowerShell, I use the Bash. Also, scripts are unforgiving. Any small mistake and it stops working. It's perfect for documenting. Yes, I understand that. So these are a few stuff that I was working. I even like refurbished some scripts over here, like, but I don't usually get this much time, but I am doing what I can. Over here, these are all the scripts that I have created so far. There will be some that are private. There are some ongoing projects. So yeah, over here I was working over the LetsDefend, and for that I created this script which will automatically help you to, if it's Linux, it will automatically help you dump the file that you want to work on into your local. If it's a window, it will open up like which session, damn it, RDP session for you, so you can just drag and drop the file into your Windows Linux and start working on it. So I do create a script sometime. I like Bash over the Python and extra stuff, cause if today you're creating any sort of script into the Python, Go or any other language, you are like creating a dependency. If that dependency go away, your code will is like dead garbage sitting in the site. So I'm more into like writing the logic within that certain code, how it is going to work. It doesn't matter how long it is going to be, but that should be in that certain file if it has to work. That GitHub will be very useful when you apply for cyber jobs. Add to your resume. It looks really good to interviewer. When people add GitHub with their script, it should actually know. Make sense. Yes, right. So yeah, actually I have added it into my resume also. It's just a challenge everywhere, so not sure when it will going to finish. Okay, let's continue with the stuff that we was doing. So cd the box, doctor, cleared this. And so yeah, someone was asking which games I play. You can see Halo Infinity, I have Hitman whole list. There's a Liar Bar, there's a Noita which I was recently playing. PUBG, I have bought it. This is one of the rare account that have the PUBG in it, because Steam has like either made it free or this has been listed out from here. There's a Paladins, Once Human, Tom Clay, Rainbow Six Siege, Strinova, which I don't play, League, Rocket League, Resident Evil, Quake Champions, Warframe, Warface, Tomb Raider, yeah, Counter-Strike and stuff, Dirty Bomb, Elite Dangerous is there, Delta Force is there, CSGO is there, sorry, CS2. So this is one collection. Let me show you the other collection if I have it over the system right now. Epic. Okay, it's not here. I'm just going to show this time. After that, if someone will ask, I'm just going to refer to a lot of shooting. You may enjoy Escape from Tarkov, but only after OSCP, of course. Yeah, like there are so it's not about like escape. This actually the system is not that good. Sorry, brother. It's just my system lag stuff. My system is not getting that good, so I can't play. If it is that good, I might have started playing. Don't remember anything. Let me put it aside and give it a number. I hope this works. And today's goal is to reach the 800 subscribers. So update auth. We are going to set up the authenticator. Just give me some sec. Oh, by the way, another tip. I see you log into FA. Try login with the security key specifically. Yes, bro. Same thing. Like I don't have that kind of money right now. For the same, I'm like setting up the auth here using the authenticator. Scan it already, brother. Dang it. Something went wrong. Okay, it's not able to record it. And setup, continue. There's a new code. Why the hell is this not working? Work already, brother. the only way is put it here, save it. Guys, just a few minutes more and we'll start with it. I don't like wasting this much time either way. Copy text. Go here. Sheesh. Enter the key. Code name. Epic Game Store. Your key. Time base. Okay, it's there. And here we go. I'm gonna put the number. Copy this. Done. And in here, edit. Go all the way down. Hidden. And paste it here. Save it. And now we are good. Continue. Yeah, I'm accepting everything. Who reads the agreement? Yeah. So there we go. In the discovery browser, I hope there is my not reward and achievements. Browse. Where is my personal collection? How can I check mine? My list? No. Where is my store? No. I don't know where is it, but it should be in Discover. Discover new. Escape Academy. Top sellers. New release. Add-ons update recently. How can I check my this is a card. This is not what I'm looking for. My wallet, redeem whitelist account. No. This is not what I want to show. Epic Games. Home. Fortnite. Play, discover. How the hell should I check my game collection here? Okay, I got a message. Hi, yeah, it's very expensive, I understand. It's tiny and login is very simple as touching. Yes. I'm thinking to buy it, but same stuff. People are asking me to host my notes. I don't have money for that. So how I'm gonna do, like, buy the key? And other thing is, in Hack the Box Academy, there is one question where we need to use Wayback Archive, but due to some reason, when I try to open it, it opens GoDaddy. Yeah? Do you work in Cyber currently? Yes, I am working in Cyber currently. Actually, I am working for past 3 years. It's about to go 3 years. Before that, I have some fishy background, but that's not something to discuss here. I think that shouldn't be discussed here. That's some forbidden documents, like classified documents we shouldn't look at. Get lost. Hello, brother. How are you doing? Free games, new release, top sellers. I just don't know how to check my recently updated. Where the heck should I go for? It's not a career that I want to have. Free games. Oh. Well, it's not listing here, but I have a good collection of games here too. Distribution, distributed on no. Support, nope. Fall Guys, it's gonna take me to a certain page instead of my directory. This one. Okay, go to hell. I have some good amount of games here. Oh, come on. Fishy background sounds way too interesting to not discuss. Like, it shouldn't be here. Like, there are like everyone do some stuff in the past, so it is one of those things. So okay, next question is not possible to check from web version, need epic game. Yes, no, actually I think it is possible. How it is possible, let me maybe try if we can. If I'll go to store, and if I'll go here, buy now, and get this game for free. It's loading the order. Place the order. Thank you. Now it says download launcher, continue browsing. Okay, I think they have like turned off the functionality over here. It used to be there. Okay, drop this shit. So like in the Wayback URL, which exercise are you stuck on? If I have done from here, maybe I'll be able to help you. And back to the place, where was we? Second way of performing the action. We have this damn long base 64. I think I need to work around with some other encoding instead of base 64, because sometimes base 64 is a way too much lengthier to like decode, but yeah, it is there. And with that, today's goal is to reach 800. Let's see how many we have got. It's 795, though we still have a long way to go. 795, yes, it's 795. So over the crack station, information gathering, web edition. Okay, I think maybe I have done it. Give me a sec. In the modules over here, let it. I think we don't need this. I solved the skill assessment, but that's giving me problem. Okay, give me a sec. I don't think it should be. Okay, it's an easy one. I believe it's a free module. Let me check. if it is what I think it is, tier 0. No, I think it's tier 1 or tier 1, tier 0. Where the hell is this information gathering? All. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, information gathering web edition. So it's a tier 2. I cannot hear it here. But I guess I'll be able to check over here, but I have done it, so it should be in here. Yep, it is here. So can you share me like which one is it over here from the modules? Is it, I think it should be in web archive. Whoa. Where is it? Yeah, it should be in web archive, and over here the skill assessment you must be talking about. Like, can you drop the question? And we might be able to perform that action over here and see if it's doing the same with me. By the time you drop the question, I'll start back with the machine. How many penetration testing lab did HackTheBox have on August 8th? Oh, I don't need this for that. Just give me a sec. That much we can pull by ourselves. Go all the way up. We're gonna use the Brave here, and it's what was that? Way back machines over here. It's in the tools. Pretty good stuff when you're looking into someone's background. So it says how many PentesterLabs did HackTheBox have on 8th of 2018. Blog projects, web over here, hackthebox.com, I believe. Don't save it. I'm trying to look for it. Sheesh. Yeah, search for the archive website and hack the box, enter. And over here we will be looking for the like calendar type something. hackthebox.com. So it's org. If we go here, let's see what we'll get. Let it load. Okay, so it's saying we have the calendar over here. If we go, sheesh, wrong button. We are talking about 2018, 8th of August, right? Here we are, 2018, 8th of August, and this should open something. I hope you're watching. And we have like quite many captures over here. So okay, let's see over here. Hack the box. Do we have the, was it .org or .com? I'm not sure if it's .com. Okay, it is here, .com 2018. And we are talking about 8th August of over here. I hope we are lurking around over the right website. Hack in the box, not in the box. It's a hack the box. Again, yeah, this is the correct one. There we go. And now it should open the web page, or like the capture it has for that website. And it says GoDaddy. And why is that? Is this your domain? Get started. Would like to buy this domain. Welcome to Hack the Box. This web app is parked for free. Or the GoDaddy. Stop, brother. I don't want. Search for similar domain. Yeah, that's weird. Why is it giving this? One capture. We want to check that one capture. (2018). That's the same problem I'm getting. Yeah, I understood. I understood. Collection. Over here. If I'll just directly try to open this again. What if I do HTTPS? If I'll remove these param, it says forbidden. And on what purpose? Hack the box, show all. I don't think I faced this challenge also. Give me a sec. Going way back. August 2018. Yeah, I didn't face this problem there. This is totally something new. Let's see. 8. What if we go for the another date and go back from that date? Okay, it's showing for the 10th of the February, but we are trying to look for the 8th instead. You see time over here, date, again the same 2020 February of 10th. So it's the date problem that we are countering here. So how are we gonna fix this? What is this 2020? What if I do 8 over here? January, July. It is not able to work around with this, it seems. Over here I'm trying to pull you, brother. Get here. Okay, it is not letting it to go to that certain date. What the hell is this capture? I don't want any sort of .com or whatever. I just want 2020, 2018 and open this. Get started. Don't tell me they are looking for some sort of a login or stuff. Yep, they are looking for a login here. Bad stuff. See, it seems they are not able to like settle this website. They need fundings. Hackthebox.org. What about this? I don't think even this will be holding anything. Okay. I think I got the problem. Maybe, not sure. What if I'm doing the wrong search? If it's EU. Go here. And now we have variety of these. We have 4 snapshots. Let's open all 4 of these. There. The domain was wrong all along. And this should be mentioned somewhere in the write-up itself. So if we go bit up somewhere, can we first archive this Wayback Machine and try to capture? Okay. How many pen testing labs did? Answer with an integer. So here, if we'll search this with .eu, I just remembered that before they was using .com, but like they wasn't using the .com actually, they was using the .eu. When I first log in over the platform, it was .eu at that time, hackthebox.eu. So that's how it was working. Now it is here. So your question was, where the hell did your question go? Privilege escalation. We are here. So your question is, how many penetration test lab did HackTheBox have on the 8th of this? And the answer should be somewhere over here. Join HackTheBox. There. This is your answer. I hope you got the point, like what was happening and what's wrong was there. As long as you're not giving the right name, I think that's what is causing the problem here. Now you have the right name of the domain. You're getting it right. I think this needed to be reported to the HackTheBox support itself, cause this will cause the confusion. Or rather the confusion, it is the recon stuff that you should be able to do yourself. I just clicked out of nowhere in my mind that it used to call the EU. Yeah, so it's .eu at the end of the domain. So we got the string, which is a bcrypt, but we won't be able to crack it because as far as I remember, I'll check here, we have it in the hash. And if I'll check with John and remove all of these, word list rockq, enter, it won't be able to crack it. So the only option we have is if we can like rerun the reverse shell and get the connection again. So for that we need to log in over the portal. Let's go back to the portal. Yeah, it's just some time you need to chill with yourself and you'll eventually able to do it. And you see, I'm just opening the browser. It's killing my machine already. What the hell is this processing power? It's doctors, not archive. We don't need the archive over here. It's struggling. The reason it's struggling cause it is also trying to crack the password over here. So if I'll cancel it, it'll free the machine. Now that we know that we cannot crack this hash, so we will copy what we have here. This and go all the way down. Let's just paste it for over here for now. It took so much time, but could not crack it. So we have to look for the same over the machine. Let's go here, register, double a at the rate a.a, password a, config a at the rate a.a. Someone else used it like the way I'm using. I never give it like some full username or something. I just go with a and it is there. I found this way better than doing the other way. So it's RCE, paste the stuff here, take it here, split the terminal, and we will start Python server over here, netcat listener over here, and click the post, and there we go. We got the shell. Close this. We don't need you, brother, anymore. Full screen, and collapse this. And next we will use the terminal call and paste this. No, don't do this. Don't be a bad boy here. We will copy this over the clipboard. Sheesh, it's not. Don't tell me it died. I'll have to restart the machine. Export term is equal to x term, and now we should be able to perform the clean action. Good. And now we will copy this, paste this, enter, and there we go. Now we have the proper shell here, ls. We have this over here. We found that file endpoint, which is this. If we'll check above, after the SSTI, we went in there, and here you see when we cat the file, we found this db URL there, and from there we got this username and password, but it is not working. So what we're gonna do is we'll remove it. We will be using the grep, and and in the grep we will use this one, copy, and the doctor. Over here, if I'll check pwd, where we are in the home web ls. If we do paste, no, not this stuff. What privilege does the web server has? I don't think it has many. It cannot even perform the sudo or like sudo -l. And if I'll check over here, cat/etc/password, okay, we cannot even read. Oh, I put that into the password. Weird. cat/etc/password. There we go. We have Splunk here, and for the web, bin bash. We can run bin bash here. No login. Give me a sec. Who is messaging me right now? Damn it. I've told people that around this time I do the live usually. They're still messaging me. Just give me a second. Discord. Now I'm getting the SMS too. Sometimes the database behind web server can run as root, so check database user as well. Let's see if the database user has any sort of permissions over here. I can see this is a DNS. This is Splunk. And where's the database? I don't see any database over here. MySQL or something. Whoopsie. Oh, you're telling me to check the processes there. AUX. Let's go. Okay, it's not gonna throw everything. If you're using a.db file, then it'll be SQLite. Yes, but I have another way to make it work more faster, even if it's SQL or something. And that way is using this grep command over here. Copy this multiple times, and if I'll click this, it should start pulling the endpoints, and it seems we don't have any. Let's check. Where could be that database be? Let's check over here for /www. If it is there, we have the HTML over here. Let's try this command over here, and it's not working. I'm getting roast. Oh, -I capital R. Now it should work. Pass this value directly to class. PAWS WRD password. Now. Okay, it's not there. You already documented it. That file that ends on .db is very likely SQLite 3db, which is just file basically. Yes, from there we did got the string, but other than that we didn't got anything else. So I'm assuming that we won't get anything over here too. So let's try one more time. Okay, we got some fields, and over here if we see in the module here and in the flask config.py we have the pass doctor. Let's check if this also contain the username also. Username. I think I should create the double sh. Sheesh. PASSWORD password. Let's copy the username. If same file contain the same thing. Yep, it seems it does contain. Let's try the SU switch user doctor. Enter. User doctor does not exist. So if it's a Flask blog, then could it be that we can use this username and password over here? Doctor slash port number 8089. Okay, I got it. HTTP s, I believe, colon double slash, paste this. Dang it. Advance, go further. And over here we have the services. If I'll go with the doctor. Okay, it didn't work. So the Flask service, could it be? Or I'm just using the wrong username and password. Password conf, paste. Okay, so we are looking for the wrong data here. cd dot dot cd shaun. Sean, we cannot. Oh, we can go to the Sean. Cat user.txt. Can we cat this? We don't have permissions. ls-la. We have dot profile, we have local, we have config, we have select editor. If there's a password, there will be a username. Yes, there is a username and both are the same. Over here, the username over here is a doctor and the password is doctor2. So if there was a multiple fields, okay, let's try with the bit extended string. What about if we go to 60? This should be sufficient. Dev null false, username field, password. Password has been updated. You are now able to log in successfully. This is something good. Password has been updated successfully. Let's check this file. Might be able to get something out of this. Cat. And what is it doing? It's a Flask based program. Over here, if we check the user blueprint, username and name, it is performing the register request. Over here, the login. logout account and username string, reset password, and is it getting logged? Define reset request. If user is authenticated, redirect to this main home. User this filter data form. Email will be sent, and over here user route, reset token, and get post user verify reset token. Flash, this is invalid or in okay. If form dot validate underscore submit hash bcrypt. So we have a method to decrypt it, but that's gonna take time. Flask, your password has been updated. You're unable to log in successfully. Return. This is interesting. Let's see if you'll be able to see the credential option. Let's just give me a second. Blog cd lask blog cat site.db. Okay, we are getting the same stuff over here. If we'll go back to the doctor, ISO 7 and other stuff, it is same. It says admin and this test user admin yes, that's SQLite. Are we getting different kind of information in this file? The one we actually pulled has different. But this string is same, right? If we copy this string, sheesh. Oh no. Dang it. Yeah, I know. Just give me a second. I'm just trying to check this. Yep, it is the same string, which is I already have. So this file doesn't make any sense to me, and it doesn't contain any other data. So this is worthless file for me. What did I just do? Why I'm being an idiotic? What is test view? What is the admin? Admin, we have already tried the admin, but wait, let's see if we can try the admin underscore doctor. Don't tell me. Okay, it didn't work. So yeah, over here it this is the same data, but even for the entry we need to decrypt this string, which is a bcrypt. So it is not able to crack using the crack station, and if I'll put it in the John, it is taking way much time, which it shouldn't be. Stop it, people. I'm getting angry over here. Stop messaging me. Just stop it. Okay, let's go to the doctor. Paste HTTP. I hope user is still there. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Register A at A.A setup A at A.A, enter, and go all the way back. Copy this new message, split the screen, Python server back. Okay, netcat, paste this, post. It triggered the job. Okay, let's keep it there. We won't close it this time, but we can close this. Yeah, we need to process the shell again. Copy multiple times, paste, enter. Copy multiple times, paste, enter. Clear. And if we'll check ls, cd blog, let's do this. I don't know how idiotic is this going to be, but in the root, if we will shoot this is going to be abomination, as you can see, but we might get some good stuff here. Password hash with this. What's the goal to log in with admin? It's hard box on footprinting, really hard, because I have not done a medium one. I completed. So the goal here is like either we have to find the login username or password for this, like the same service that is running over here, else there is other user that is sitting there whose name is Sean, I believe, which we just checked. Either we need to get the username or like the password, not the username but the password for that user, so we can switch user and get his privilege, and for that we can at least get our first flag, which is a user.txt flag, and this is where it's gonna kill some time. Password is about to expire. Password Linux binary grub. We don't need this grub stuff. Did you check? Oh yeah, that bash history is into the like dev state, so it is automatically going to throw all the data into null, so that's not gonna help in any way. It's over this. Who the hell is investigating me? Okay, it's not me. They're investigating someone else. No problem. Did you check the bash and war logs? What about log files? It's a web server. Yeah, that's why I shoot like whole different stuff over here. So wherever it will find the string of password, it should be able to provide me with this information, and we're going to directly look over there. Although this is the most ineffective way and it is a time-taking way, but there are few places when we talk about the web server we can look. Give me a sec. My throat. Yeah, so I was talking, if it's about the web server, we can look for like 2 3 places. The first one could be where we just landed using the reverse shell. That could contain any sort of password or something. Either the other place where the web application usually get hosted, which is var dub slash html, or like the application name itself. And the third place is we're using which application that application is hosted. For example, if it is how we say Apache, if it's like Nginx, because even those hold the log files, correct? So we can check there too. And the last but not least, the database file where the database is hosted. If that database is logging, but database logging is not gonna any help, cause database most of the times are encrypted and they hold the hashed password in there, so that is not gonna work in any manner. So right now we have only 2 stakes to put. Either we will get some sort of information using the command that I have put it over here, and we are getting this information in a bulk, else we will check if there is any sort of information into the var, which we have already tested. And the third place is going to be now the Apache, where it is installed and where it is storing the logs of the application if it is running over the Apache. For check that, we'll go to the nmap scan, and over here we should get the information, and yes, it is Apache. So we will check if Apache is creating some sort of log of the application, what sort of action it's performing. So based on that, if we can get some sort of information in the logs, we might be able to proceed further. Oof. I hope I explained right and I'm over the right path. And people, if you're watching, like the stream and do consider subscribing. And my nightbot is also doing the work, so if you can help him, that's is also going to be pretty helpful, isn't it? Thank you, brother. Appreciate. Because if we are working with the web application, I don't see any other way to get something out of a web application. These are the 3 places that we usually can look. If we talk about how we can escalate the privilege, and in that manner we also check a few places. For example, when it's about privilege escalation, we usually check sudo -l, what sort of like file our user can trigger. And the next is what sort of processes are running, what sort of services are running for that user, so we can either tunnel it using the SSH, so we can perform those not perform but access those same application over our local system, where we have the variety of tool to interact with. And there are 2 3 other tricks that I've already shared in the stream previously, but I'm not able to recall it. But whenever I'm tackling that scenario, then I usually use that stuff. And it seems our session went overload and it's not able to process anymore. So if I'll do ls, it is killing stuff there. Yep, it's just looping back. Who am I? Linpis is one of the first script I would run in the background just for quick checks. Correct. I would do the same, but right now we are in a situation where we don't have the stable shell. And to get the stable shell, we need like some sort of base knowledge. And the reason why I don't use the linpiece, because nowadays the antiviruses that, for example, if you're using Sentinel-1, if you have ever heard of it, Sentinel one has the hashes of these tools, and it can detect if what sort of malicious files are getting uploaded, so we can be detected easily. But the command like this, the one we are using right now, is like a general command which any user can use, and it is not be considered as malicious. So it is one way to not get detected when you have the RC or some other action that you're already performing over the machine. So that's why I try less. I try to rely less over the linpiece and other stuff, cause it is good for the CTF, but I'm trying to put the more realistic scenario in my mind when I'm actually trying to interact with some organizational machine where I not have the privilege to upload any sort of shell script and stuff. Yeah, that's why. So we are trying to bypass actually 2-3 places in the same manner. So I think we need to trigger it back. We'll go back to the posts, and we have stuff already over the machine. So if I'll go all the way back, like just it's this time I won't be calling stuff. I'll just, okay, there we go. We got the shell back. And the same stuff again. Paste. Paste. That's why I tell people to subscribe, guys. You will get to know what what sort of stuff goes on in the real world. Rather, you're looking for some other stuff that is not even interacting with the real world. It's just, it is what it is. So putting the stuff which actually is present over the world, and how you can work around with it and try to understand if this is how it is going to work, and try to learn some new techniques which are not like overly CTF kind of thing. It is a CTF, but in a different manner, where we are not just trying to rush everything out, because it's not a competition. I think parents are calling for to have some lunch right now. It's 10 p.m. right now here. So if you guys will allow me some time, I would like to catch some. So as I said, first we have already checked the 2 places. The first where we just landed, or some other kind of encoding to hide the word password. Have a nice meal, my friend. That's the kick here, right? You can hide that certain string, but how many times you're going to hide that certain string? If you're talking about the logs, logs are made basis on what you have code in there. So if you're going to like hide that using Yo, back. Back. Thanks for waiting, guys. How sweet of you for waiting me this long. And I am back. 30-second delay. Okay, before we proceed, let me check something. I know this is not right, but poor people like us cannot do much. Okay, we got a season 3, we got another episode. We are good for today. Okay, doctors, and we still have the shell, do we? We still have the shell. So next, let's split it and locate logs. Here's a Tomcat 10 logs. We have the Apache, so it should be in Apache logs. Where is it? Python 3. I need to go all the way up. We have sudo, we have neo4j. Let's put it full screen, clear, and locate the logs. And let's pipe grab Apache 2. This is weird. Is it log? Oh, there we go. Now we're getting good stuff. And Apache 2 logs. Let's see. We have access log here. We have error log here. And it's in var lib. So log debug. Okay, so let's go to the cd/var/log. And it's an Apache, so let's see if there is any activity that Apache has captured, which might be any worth information for us. So let's go to the grep and we're gonna perform this. And I believe all the logs files are here itself. Access log, error logs, and no, there are a few in the Apache. So I hope it don't die on my first finger cross enter. Don't you dare die on me. Okay, it didn't die. Thank you. Okay, so here it says password validated successfully. Successful validated. It's in the auth log. Then there's some binary stuff. Let's also check if we'll get more information if we'll go with the pass. Is it just looking for the one type of file? That would be bad. Oh, I think now we got some excessive amount of information, and it's still the same. If instead of I, I'll go with the O and paste this. Okay, so only file that we are able to look into is the auth logs. So probably we might be able to find some sort of thing. Okay, where the hell is it? Yeah, here it is. So we might be able to find the password in here. So should we give a shot here? But before that, let's also check one more place, which is cd APACHE to enter ls. Let's see if this contain anything. Okay, pass. What about this? No. And what about this? Interesting. Let's Google where do Apache to store the logs. Let's see the file system it has. I mean, that might be able to help us in the understanding of the structure. So here's the rotating logs in the JSON format. Log located Debian. There is an access log, there is an error log, there is log location, config Apache log has highly configurable log framework built to let you adjust logging behavior globally, so we can log each virtual host. Log format directive, assigning nicknames, rotating logs, vhost, and there we go, the path and the values. What do we have here? It has the access log with the numerous numbers, then the backup, error log, and other vhost. So let's see if we see any file that we can relate to. Nothing here. Okay, I think it's same stuff here. Apache 2 file structure, let's check. In the images, we should be able to get, okay, there we see. So in the home index file is here. It seems to be for the Windows. Linux. I want information on the structure rather. We have good file system, but okay, let's see over here. We will get this first. Find access dot log. Okay, it's not here. I don't think this will be able to help us in any manner. Apache 2 file access dot log. Use for. Okay, it says Apache log access log provides detail about who sends requests to the server and what data they requested. Okay, so let's see if we can get any sort of information from here. So far we have quite many requests. And all of these seems to be coming from us. And the next is next file is, let's just cat it directly. We have backup, cat backup. Okay, it seems to be pretty damn big. Oh, it's a small one. So over here we have profound prop find slash, I think prop find is the request method, like get, post, delete option. So it is the prop find is another type of request method that is getting used here, and because of that, if you see over here, it got the 405. It wasn't successful because of the nmap scripting engine. So our nmap tried to use this over here, and the get, it tried to get the information on the git.git/head. It's same coming from the nmap engine. I think from now on I should be using some other user agent in this place. All these are from nmap search engine. Let's see, after the nmap finish, this was the last nmap request. From here our adventure starts. There's some weird stuff. Mozilla, this is a user agent. There's this get logo, get Ubuntu logo. Here we have the post request for the register, and it got redirected. Wait. Whoa, we got something. If you see over here, this post request, it got redirected and it went to the register. And over here, there is this Mozilla. And right in the next request, we got the reset password with the email is equal to this guitar123 $, and it gave the 500 error. That means the server didn't respond back. There's a password reset over here. This was pretty good. Okay, so let's do this. We have identified some weird looking stuff here. So profile picture. Let's see if we can find anything else over here other than what we just saw. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing in this request, nothing in this request. This request is also empty. Nothing here. What else is there? We have all the get requests, static home, and yada yada. Where did that post request went? Over here, the new post request, and this must be coming from our side. But this is the request that we are looking for more, right? So there we go. Copy this and we'll go here in the doctor, privilege escalation. After looking around for how much time is it since the stream is running? Okay, it's already been 2 hours. For more than 1 hour, we landed here on the var/log/Apache. We thought as it's an web application and it's running the Apache. It's possible that it must be logging the stuff. So with that in mind, we went to this location and got this. And here in one of the post request, we have our treasure. I believe. Not sure though. Let's just grab the post request from here. We're going to grab this post request. So clear this and we're gonna perform grep -i space in here post space close, and what's the file name here? Backup. enter. And there we go. And here in this collection, we have this request that contain one string, which seems like a pass. So paste this here, and the string we got is here. Let's try use this string to switch user to cd. I think it will take us to home. ls cd dot dot ls to the user Sean. SHAUN Sean. We'll create a table. And with the backspaces, username and the password. We are just running over the guess. If it works, it works. If it didn't work, we have to still look around for more stuff and try to get the information out of it. The box is pretty darn big. Okay, so let's go clear. Here what we can try now, as we have the username and password, either we can use the SU to switch user, or we can try SSH SHAUN Sean @doctors.htb. Enter, and let's see if it'll ask for the password or the key. Yes. Luckily it's asking for the password. So if we'll copy we'll copy this and paste it here, which is pasted. Enter. Didn't work. Enter. It's not working here. So let's try with one more user then. I think we are going with the right username. SHAUN Sean. Try SHAUN. SHAUN. It's same. SHAUN Sean. Enter. Yes. Password. Enter. Maybe this is not copied properly. Let's paste here. Okay, it's copied and paste. Enter. Please work, brother. It's not working. So what we can do here is, if we do su, let's try this with another user, which can be root doctors. Enter. We're not sure if it's going to work. It's just a hit and trial kind of stuff. Paste, enter. Okay, it's not working. So SHAUN, enter. Paste the password, enter. Did you just saw that? Did you just saw that? When we're trying the same stuff on the SSH, it is not letting us perform the action. Dang it. What the hell is this? Are we using some wrong username or something? Let's try one more time. The SSH. Let's remove the doctors. We will use SHAUN, Sean, at the rate. No, that's not gonna work because that port is not there, and it's a Linux box, and only the port 22 is open, so that's the only port we can access right now. So one more time, copy it a few times, paste, enter. GUITAR123, enter. Okay, so it seems we have a different password for the SSH. We tried the SSH using the same username and password, but that didn't work. But next we tried to su switch user over the RCE shell. We went into the user Sean, and for the notes purpose, we will take this into the logs, enter. Whatever we put, it's gonna revert the same stuff. So copy it a few times, paste it here, enter. Okay, so we wasn't able to access the Sean, but when we did it here, SSH didn't work here, but here we was able to switch the user. let's see. Now let's see if we have any SSH key or something that we can use to log in Sean using SSH. But before that, get the user.txt flag file. So sh, we will kill this. Sheesh. Clear it. Go down. We'll cd Sean. Clear stuff. And we will do ls cat users.txt. No. Clear. ls-la. Now we have more brief stuff. Cat user.txt, enter. And there we go. We got our flag. If someone's want to see, check it quickly before I submit, as no one will be able to use this flag. Boom. Were you able to capture it? I don't think. You're not as fast as me. It was a decent. It wasn't easy peasy that we always say. Yeah. It's still not gonna work. It's on rotation, so even if you have captured it, it's not going to work. I can't even drop it in the DM or like in the chat itself. It's still not gonna work. Yes, now we will be going forward to that. This is the good stuff that they have done. But no one can now copy paste the flags. So we have some good dot files or dot directories. Let's check them too if they contain anything cool. So let's see. First we will see cat select editor. What do we have here? Okay, so we can do cat generated by select editor. It says bin nano, but I think we can make it do the bin bash. Do we have the read? We have the write permission too. So if we will do this vi select editor here, and I think, yeah, it is because of quit, enter, clear. Oh damn. Cat select editor. This is actually an unusual file. You won't see this everywhere sitting like this. So we will do this, copy, and dot files. the unusual one over here looking is and there is one more problem. That if is there, yeah, sorry. So if we trigger this file, but this file is getting triggered by the normal user, which is a Sean, so we won't get the root for this. What we need to do is make it triggered with the root user. So for this, we will check that later. This is just my wild guess. We just gonna put this in bin bash. And now we'll copy this and we'll do vi. I see we need to paste this. Now we will copy this, enter, delete. And if I'll paste this, right quit, exclamation, enter, clear, cat, paste, enter. Whoa. We didn't delete anything, right? So we will do back vi, paste, enter, and insert. Don't tell me it is not working. Right quit, exclamation, enter. And if I'll do cat on it, oh, it's not working. So we'll go with the nano, enter. Okay, now it should work. Wipe all the way down. Can we replace that file or not? Now that's going to be a big question here. Control X, Y, enter. And let's cat this file. Okay, it's still there. It didn't went as expected. So now we're gonna do is what we gonna do with this now? Let's try this sudo -l, enter. Do we have any permission to trigger any file? Copy this, paste here, enter. User Sean may not run sudo or on doctor. Okay. ls-la cd .config ls. We have goad -1 dodo and pulse cd goad.1 ls -la, nothing. So we will go to directories back, cd pulse pulse ls. Let's check its config, and it seems we have got some stuff here. Let's cat this cookie. Let's cat some other stuff like card database. Let's say the tbd file. Probably we will be working with this file. How many subscribers we have got? Let me check if you guys are like not working. What the hell, guys? You guys are watching or not subscribing? Really? Contribute, guys. Only 795. I want to reach 1,000 fast. You guys are making me drag my legs. Subscribe. Love you, brother. And also like if you are getting what I'm telling. Ouch. We did a cat over the file, and file did went there. Clear ls. To read the tbd file, what we can do is netcat this, and instead of the file we will create the mkdir dot pulse, enter, and we will do netcat this to pulse. And over here we gonna perform cd dot pulse /*. I believe this might work. Over here we will perform slash, I'm forgetting the string, give me a sec. Yeah, over here with this dev /tcp slash like whole, this whole. So we will remove this, paste, enter, and it says the connection refused, and the reason is dev tcp. Why is that? No such file or directory. Bash connection refused. What if I'll do with this? Is it still going to refuse? Pulse not found. How can we transfer the files from the pulse? Pulse / space here, enter, permission denied. We don't have a permissions, it seems. ls, let's try with this then, str RINGS strings pulse /*, enter. And what does it says? Auto null dot monitor null b monitor b. Nothing interesting. Clear. Back ls -la and cd local ls cd share. I don't think we can use tree here. No, we don't have the tree in here, so we will do cd tracker ls cd data cat tracker store journal, and this seems to contain the actions we have performed just now. Or maybe we can try strings, paste the same file, enter. Let's see what does it says. So much logs. If we go all the way, oh sheesh, clear. str and yes, strings paste, enter. Okay, we got some stuff. We still have to go all the way up, and it says URN something. This is another URN ID. Home Sean. A file user.txt. If you guys see something suspicious, ping in the chat. Don't just press the ping. I mean, like, we have Thunderbird. Genome user control panel, no. I think we are wasting our time here for some reason, I don't know. Let's clear this. What we can try now. Ouch. Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you searching for actual? Now we need to perform the privilege escalation. So probably either some sort of key which can help us get the root, either some sort of like application exploitation that can help us from the privilege escalation, else like in any way we can escalate the privilege and get to the root. From there we can get the root.txt file. So let's see if we rm-rf folder, and the folder was which was it pulse, enter. Clear this. cd doctor will clear this, and the next thing we can do is locate linpiece, enter, and we're gonna call the linpiece over here. Copy this, cp linpiece here. Okay, we'll go over here. Didn't found much, so we are going to run the almighty linpiece and see what we can get. First, copy the linpiece to working directory and upload the file from there. So I think if I'll put this, you guys gonna like feel weird because it's coming from the friend zone directory, which I have already solved. So we will go in the straight manner and we'll actually use the right path over here. So we will remove this path, paste it here, enter. And I hope we didn't got two lint pieces over here, and we didn't. So for your guys' sakes, if this write-up ever got public, so you can use this same stuff. Now let's upload it over the machine, over the RCE machine, using the Python, using the python hashtag server. If I'll do the exclamation, yeah, we'll be using this. This is a good stuff, right? The way Obsidian works. I found it pretty interesting. We can just directly see the other file data over here. So paste this here. I don't think 80 is required, but for sake, we will go with the 80. Over here, we'll type 80. And here we will do wget 10.10.16.3 slash linpiece, enter. And we are copying it on the wrong directory. Stop it, don't do it. Sheesh. cd ls. We will perform it here. Enter. It started downloading and it's done. So we will go one more. Yeah. So let's take a screenshot of it. And we'll do upload the linpiece here. Poof. Using Python 3 server. Copy, paste, copy this, paste it here, and we will keep this too for knowledge purpose. And guys, if you're watching, you're new here, consider subscribing, guys. You're not doing good with me. Subscribe. And this time we will do cancel, clear this. We'll run the script and store it in one. Why bother storing it? Let's run it and see what we can get here. Just give me a second, I want to fix something. We have stuff here and this need a hashtag few, and it's Apache 2 log analysis. Got the password. User access Sean, and next in the privilege escalation lin piece in action. So we got it here, and now we will do dot slash. I think we need to provide any sort of permission, enter, and we can collapse this subterminal and enter. It says a permission denied ch mode plus x lin piece, enter. Will provide the permissions. Also provide the permissions to the file. Okay. Now we will perform clear action dot slash and copy the lin piece, paste, enter, and we'll let it run and gather the information for us. Ouch. I think it's already 3 hours. Hello Banerjee, how are you doing? How it's going, brother? Over here, if we'll see any sort of like red yellow, that means we have 95% chances to escalate the privilege if any software, any sort of thing we found here. And red, we will do some struggles. Then there is a user with console and some other stuff. It's just, you should take a look at it. This yellow one is straight away privilege escalation. Bro, here you go. We found it. Yo, you got it right? Oh. We got something over here. Vulnerable to this CVE. What this CVE is. So what we have, oh, here is the mess we created with our shell. Placeholder and some weird stuff. System timer. Writable files. Analyzing .socket files. I don't think there is going to be any other port that we need access to. Do we have any? Nope. 22, 80, and 8089. We haven't done anything with this yet, have we? This totally went out of mind. Dang it. Money, money. Okay, so we have user policies, etc. Root with bin bash, user with the console, super user. But I don't think we can access them. So let's keep scrolling. Keep scrolling. Da-da-da-da-da. Anything here? Man, it's tedious to crawl through like this much data. Why can't you just throw something on my face and say just use it and go away? We are way too down. It's time to check the update. Let's see, is it 800 already? What 800 we are talking about? Sheesh. Only 5 subscribers, guys. 5. Just subscribe. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Another thing. Cap-sys ptrace plus ep. Whoa. It's running Python 3.8. Let's scroll more and see if there is anything else getting highlighted here. War backup. There is email address, integer, voicemail, integrity, find interesting column in here. Do we have anything worth picking from here? Keywords, message, title, album, yada yada. Integers, email address, that same damn string that we have already got, but it's no use. Okay, we found something. Search password or credential files in home, limit 70. So it seems we have something related to the Splunk here. Splunk forwarder, EDC. Let's try and cat this out, or maybe first let's cat this out. Cat this, enter. Syntax error. Cat space single quote, paste, enter. Okay, we got some stuff here. And in this file, what does it say? Common password to the module, to all services, they should be included, yada yada. User to change user password. Default is PAM Unix. Password successful. Ignore. Password requisites. Okay. Next is this one, I believe. Let's get this. And it seems to contain password. Do you think? Let's get. Yeah, it seems like admin change me. It says a change me too. I guess we hit something over here. Let's see, admin and change me too. No, it didn't change. Like always. Admin. Let's see if you can change for me. Name is equal to user 1. Paste. Enter. Okay, you're just being a nerd. Admin. Paste. Enter. No. Okay, let's cat the password is equal to change me. Yes, that's the pass. Oh. Admin password is equal to change me, but it's not changing. Then what's the point? Cat. Oh, sheesh. Splunk admin and the stuff. The password is change me, but it's not changing for some reason. The next one is this one, cat, another example file. And again, change me. Oh, it's an example how we can change the username and password. If I'll do, oh, dang it. I misclicked instead of typing clear. I clicked over the Control C. So I think for today, let's stop here, guys. And if someone has any question or any query, let's answer those. And in that time, let's play a game. We won't play for long. We have only 20 minutes. And let's play Noita. If someone has any question or something, they can ask. And we will stop the stream. Anyone have any question? I don't think anyone. I'm watching the chat and the game at the same time, and before that I play, let my CPU go wild. And I hope there isn't any noise from my computer. Where is my gold? Oh, there. Another wand. Here. You're gonna die in fire, you son of a gun. Okay, let's pick another wand. Okay, no questions are coming. That's weird. But that's also good. Okay. Cannot go either way. Ouch. Good stuff. Nice save. Tomorrow we're gonna... Oh, shh. Tomorrow we are going to complete this box with any main necessary. Die already, damn it. This. Oh. There. Rain. Ouch. Let some rain. Water potion. Swap. Do. We have 300 gold, so we can leave from here, I believe. Okay, we have oil deposit here. And let's drop it in there. Ouch. Dang it. Another pond with nothing in its character. Destroy this. Oh. Let's go out. Stay away from me, dang it. You're not worthy for me to wield you. Somebody seems messed up here. No, 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 no. Bye-bye. To the next mountain. How much time is it? Only 12 minutes left. Oh, noise. We have this projectile, which is good stuff. Spark bolt and this. Fireball not worthy. Double scatter. So we will put everything in here. Over here, like this, and make this wand an abomination. Percent to 6, 160, 180, 3 seconds, and this has a short recharge time, so this is going to be the one. And you go to the deposit. Next thing, let's keep moving and see what we kill. It says item radar. You can sense nearby items. Not worthy. You take 50% less damage as long as you have no stain status effect. You get more critical hits. Let's go with this. We are here for destruction, not for love. Whoa, 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 careful. Oh. Yes. Sorry. What's up, brother? What you doing? What the hell is this? What's up, my brother? Just playing Noida. And after some time, going to close this. Okay. This wand is pretty good replacement for this. Whoa, this is good, this is good. I like it. Suits my taste. And it's a fire drill. What else do you need? What are you up to, man? Now I passed my Pen-100 exam. You passed it, or like it's still under development kind of thing? Whoa. What the hell? Oh, congrats, man. How was that exam? How was it? Yeah, very impressive. Like, what was its difficulty? Like, I'm pretty sure it is something like you should be known with the Linux and command line interface kind of stuff. Like less of a hardship. I think I'm getting greedy here. I'm going to die because of this greed. Okay, this is a good stuff. I can throw this one. One machine inside one machine, you have 4 machines. It's something like pivoting. Oh. So... oh, I got it. I thought it would be like something more simpler term. Like where you just have to work with the machine and try to use command CLI mode, then relying on the tools. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Leave. Don't stop. Ah. Okay, quit it. Docker. Yeah, I assume that it is going to be the Docker, cause on the like plain machine it will be like too much costing for them to handle. So either it is going to be a Docker, it's Kubernetes, or something like internal containers where the hosting is easy to work around. With the exam money, I think the budget goes up. One basic thing, Hydra and map, some recon, also Prevesk. So like which tool did they told you not to use? Because that's what I'm more curious about. I have darn big list of tools, but which tool they restricted? Like Nuclei, can we use that? Because sometimes that can also pull pretty good information from space places. I don't have the wall for camera. Let's add one. New screen. We will do the cam. Okay. It will be invisible for a sec. Give me a minute. And droid. Okay. Activate 192.168.1.4. I believe this is IP address. And for some reason it's not showing here. So we will copy this droid cam and paste it here. And delete this one. Oh, we deleted the wrong one. Paste it back. And move it. What the hell, we cannot move? Oh, I was all the time out of focus. Oh wait, now it's... What's going on? I'm just trying to make a cam page where we can just sit around and talk. So now this should be good, right? A bit bigger and cleaner. So now let's talk. I don't have anything to put behind the wall. So while I'm talking, we'll discuss. So yeah, I was asking like which tool did they restrict you from using, and I think Hydra is one of them because you cannot spam the passwords and other stuff. Or can you? Copy, paste it here, lock it. I think I should add one more. That's what I'm like most excited about. What sort of restrictions do we have? Share that, brother. Some leaks. Leaks of the official exam. There you go. And it is gonna be all the way down. There. Lock this. I don't have the green screen, so let's bear it for now. And you guys can also follow me over the Instagram if possible. No biggie. You have my Insta here. So I was asking, I think you don't wanna share that. Okay, it's understandable. So did they even ask you to create some sort of like a report also for the 100? As far as I can remember, it is not. It shouldn't be. Offensive security. Pricing solutions, partner, industry, skill, learning paths, course and certifications. 100. What's the 100? Where the hell is 100? This is a standalone. Oh. Okay. This is for the essentials. Cyber core. Equip learns with essential knowledge and develop hands-on skill needed to launch a successful career into the cybersecurity. Let's see what does it cost. Buy now. Whoa. Like $900? You have that much? Pretty impressive, man. Rich boy. Well, whatever. You earn it, you use it, so who am I to comment? I thought you give this one, cause it is like basically for the Kali Linux user. Those who can better utilize the Kali Linux, they can get the certification. And what weird part is, the offensive security is giving this certification, and they are the owner of the Kali Linux distro. But I'm thinking what the actual creator of the Linux will be thinking about. Like, they are giving the certification on the distro that he created, and they just made a changes and created a certain different image of that distro with a Debian, and here they are using it as its own and giving the certification on that. Isn't it fun? So that's my route map. Well, man, you're making me jealous. I think you're not gonna just go for the penetration tester directly. Like, even if you go for the OSCP, which is this Pen 200, I believe it is for the OSCP or not. Yes, it is a part of OSCP. Our newest penetration testing certificate for this, it is a part of that. And after that, foundation wireless network attacks. Pretty interesting. This can wait a little longer. OSCP. But the fun part will be this one, the web application, and this one. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a bit easier part as per the OSCP kind of thing. Okay. You can sign up to the beta exam. Compact one if you get 90% score or something like it. On one exam, they will invite you to beta exam for the next one. Got a few certs this way, completely free. Oh, they are exams that are not out yet. There are no books. Whoa. Pretty good information disclosure. Thanks for the info, brother. Let me take this capture of this so I don't forget anytime soon. There we go. I'll have it and I'll write it somewhere. So that's also me to earn the certification. And there is a foundation operation. I don't get this part. Why they have the SOC when they clearly say it's for the offensive security? Does this make any sense? Sense has it too, but you need to help them set up tables, etc. There are a long list of Sense helpers. Whoa. Set up a table in the sense like the book formatting or something, like what they have points on something. Are you talking about that? So when someone does live study session, they usually do it in a huddle. Yes, I know that. I have seen there some videos. So yes, they need help from local people to set up tables, catering, etc. Oh, so rather they are going to ask the hotel. We are going to become the intermediator and help them like set up the place. And you get a free book in exchange. Not the exam, I think. They not that's not included, but the books are very expensive. Yeah, I can understand how expensive the science exam itself is when you cannot even touch the like lowest price of it. That damn shit is pretty expensive. You'll be helper to make the students at ease. You arrange food, etc. So, uh, kind of butler. Instead of a helper, we are a butler. Let's use the professional term. We'll get the orders and we have to follow them and satisfy the person who will be coming there. And in reward, we will get the book. Okay, we'll give a shot. Wait, I think I have something from the Sands over here, if I'm not wrong. Was it from the Sands or some other org? I'm not sure. Just give me a sec. Let me pull. If I still have this stuff. Ouch. I have some stickers over here that I collected from the some B-sides, and this is the Apple one, the Bug Base, the Godfather, if it's there, Hacker one, B-sides, Delhi, it's visible. What else we have? I think there should be their cards also. Ouch, where did it go? Did it go? The bandits. I don't know what else I have. Let me check if they have given their breeding cards or visiting card, I believe. Time to go fishing. I'll distribute these to someone if I'll find anyone near me. Pour in the most weird looking stickers. Cable. I'm not sure if this is still going to be active, but if you guys want to try this, you guys can try. Let me hold it in a better manner. Let's see if it focus on the card, brother. Yeah, this. If you guys can try this, you can give a shot if this works for you. Let me change the cam. Take a screenshot or something. Oh. I don't know if it's still working, but you can utilize it to fetch information from the dark web, or you can like try find some good information, or you can perform or learn how the log collection works, threat intelligence, threat hunting. This is for the 3 months. I'm not sure if it is still working, because since the day I came back from the event, I didn't utilize this, so who knows. I have the card from the focus back, yeah, from the Microsoft. One more Microsoft, and here we have the Sans one. I'll ping them and see if there is anything like that. Thing garbage. I think this is the one many people gonna need pretty soon if they're pursuing. The focus is not working right. I guess this is the one. Focus. Yeah. Who need this? Okay, so this is what we have, and I knew it. I have the card somewhere, so I'm gonna email them and query these questions to them if it is possible to get in there in this way. Why not? So we will dump it into the bag. Okay, it says there are big books, usually 4 or 5 books, study guide, very heavy, one study guide per day, usually 5 days, grammar similar study. One set of book can go like $500 on eBay or more, so it's worth spending a day to help out. But the list is long. There are a lot of people interested in doing this, obviously. Yeah, pretty sure. Like, there will be many people who are like volunteer to do this, because everyone wants benefit, who don't. And you'll need to go be in a city where they have the course. Like, do they reveal it? Or it is like, if you are there, you are there. If you're not, you're not. $500. Pretty expensive, man. Find me 2 more subscribers so we can reach 100. We are almost 100. Okay, if someone want to join, they can. Who am I to force them? Just drop a like. That is sufficient for me. No biggies. Okay, I think with this, we'll take the leave today, guys. So I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for help, Nebo and others, those who was in the chat. And congratulations to Hussein, I guess. If I'm pronouncing the wrong, please forgive me. So congratulations on clearing your exam. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you are in like my time zone, have a great rest of your night. If you are in other time zone where it's a day, have a great rest of your day. And with that, I'll take my leave. See you guys tomorrow. in the same time, I believe. Till then, have a great time. Bye bye.